Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that the defense of states should be developed into self-sustaining ecosystems, enhancing military readiness, community welfare, and nutritional security. The Rajya Sabha today began a special discussion on the glorious journey of 75 years of the Constitution of India, with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman leading the charge from the Treasury benches. BJP today took a dig at Congress following a media report that former party President Sonia Gandhi had taken away donated papers of the first Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru from the Prime Minister's Museum and Library in 2008. On the occasion of Vijay Diwas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the nation honors the courage and sacrifices of the brave soldiers who contributed to India's historic victory in 1971 on this day. Chief of the Army Staff of Nepal, General Ashok Raj Sikdil, was conferred the rank of Honorary General of the Indian Army by President of India Draupadi Murmu on Thursday.